Hi guys, welcome back. I've been super sick lately, so excuse my hoarse voice. So in this video, I'm preparing the bathroom vanity and cabinet for remodeling. I was priming and painting the sink. I've been priming and painting and sanding the cabinets, taking the sinks out and preparing the countertop of the sink for an epoxy coat I'm excited to try. I have been sanding the cabinets, painting the cabinets, and trying to get my health back. So, hope you enjoy what you see so far, and thank you for watching. So I am gonna do this vanity and the shelf in two parts because I want to epoxy the sinks. I have to cut out the sinks and I have to put the doors back on. I've just been letting it dry, and I put a nice white coat on here. So I'm going to cut it out, put the doors back on. epoxy the sink. You'll see all that in the next video. Thanks so much for watching. I am planning to do the second part of the next video. It became too much. It was just too much to put into one video, so you'll see me in the next video, which should be coming soon. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and leave me a comment if you would like to see anything specific on my channel. And I love you all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.